Hello, this time I'm heading to Highlands, majestic Scottish natural heritage. With the first stop in Glencoe, the Jacobite side is full of history, blood and battles. This lovely gem of Scottish Highlands and Pass of Glencoe has been also featured in many movies, like Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, James Bond Skyfall, or Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Fort William has been our second stop with the lunch break. In proximity to Ben Nevis, hiding his hilltop behind the clouds, is Fort William's small but beautiful place to visit. Jacobite Rising and two battles of Inverlochy turned this settlement into a fort. I took my walk around the city center and you should do too. The biggest highlight of this trip was Loch Ness, home of legend of Loch Ness monster. 36.2 km or 22.5 miles long freshwater loch every year attracts thousands of tourists. You can take a lovely cruise and look for Nessie, or enjoy a view of ruins of Uruk-hai Castle. I hope you enjoyed my video, and let me thank the Timberbush for making this video possible. And if I earn your subscription today, please subscribe.